Hi everyone, it's Francesca and I am going to show you my curly hair routine using the Curly Girl products. So first I'm going to section my hair into 4 parts, the top and 2 at the bottom. So I'm going to just spray some extra mist on my hair just to make sure it's extra wet before I go in with the styling milk. So I just used about this much, just a small amount, and I'm going to rake it through my curls before I start using the gel over the top. And then I'm just going to get the first row at the bottom and I'm going to finger coil it like this so it's nice and curly and defined. And then I'm just going to use a comb for the second section and the third section like this. I'm going to wet the top part and I'm going to repeat the same steps, just raking through all of the product, making sure it's nice and not free. I'm just going to finger coil again, going from the bottom just over those thinner areas of hair, and it's starting to look like this, nice and bouncy. And I'm going to do the same with the top sections, raking that through and making sure it's all evenly distributed throughout the hair. And I'm just finger coiling over the top of my ear again, where the hair is a bit thinner. So yeah, as you can see, the top as well, I'm just going to finger coil kind of with the top and the front where my fringe is, and the hair I want to be the most defined, and adding the extra product. And now I'm going to go in with the diffuser and making sure it's all dry in all the sections before I scrunch and fluff, and it looks like this. Thanks for watching.